Hey, what's going on? What is going on, everybody? Street Trading here with a nice, very solid trade lesson for everybody. We are looking at a daily chart of WLTW, Willis Towers Watson Public Ltd. Financial Services Sector. That was a mouthful. Let's get into it. So these guys obviously have been under some pretty significant selling pressure. You know, you saw the boys take this thing up to nearly 275 and change before just dumping. On that last ditch effort, you always see that the last pump, getting the best prices, getting all the suckers to jump in and top ticket, and they sold right into it. And it's been under some pretty significant selling for a little over a month now. It kicked off in the beginning of May. And you got that, the continued drop-based drop, textbook moves straight down to where? Previous level of business, solid level of demand. So going into yesterday's session, we had this obviously on our trade ideas pre-market, caught our attention. Obviously, it's been, that last push up to the upside before the gap down. And it just was another, setup looking for continued pressure down to the zone, right? You got that drop-based drop. So caught our attention, put it on watch, plotted our levels, planned to attack it if we saw what we wanted to see, and it did exactly that. It gave us what we wanted to see. Scaled into it. We had to be patient with it. It's one of our textbook setups that we trade time and time again. It gave us exactly what we wanted to see, and that is when you need to clock in, put some risk on, and get involved. So we ended up scaling in, scaling out. Great trade to the downside, just solid, nearly almost reached our significant, pretty ambitious target, but we were pretty damn close. Great trade to the downside, guys. So let's get into how we traded, where we traded, why we traded, all that good stuff. Let's talk details, let's talk levels, let's talk how we manage this bloodbath. All right, guys, let's get into it.